This video will concentrate on the commercial hotel which will be part of a larger project. These photos show the life of the building from the 1930s to the 70s, 80s and now to the present day where it's a private residence. In this aerial photograph from the 1950s, on the bottom left is the commercial hotel and behind it Railway Street leading to Downings Foundry. From the photographs I had, I drew a scaled model in Inkscape. I then cut the drawing out in paper just so that I could see what it looked like. I then finalised the drawings and got them ready to go to a cutting machine. I then selected the thickness of the materials and put it into design space, which was then cut out. And this is the template that was left. And here is the first assembly of the model. And taking a look at it from different angles to make sure that it did fit with exactly what I was after. I then did a drawing in Inkscape of the roof tiles so that it represented individual tiles and cut into strips. Again, this was done on a machine, and to do a full A4 sheet takes about 20 minutes of cutting time. First part of weathering the roof was using artists' charcoal sticks. Using Inkscape, I then drew the window frames, and some of the bars in these window frames are 0.5 of a millimetre. All of the window frames were cut using the sticky label method, which made it easy to stick them onto acetate. I've also shown here that I did a cutout from the original drawing to make the curtains all in one piece. After covering the building originally in stucco finish, I then coloured to match a photograph that I'd found. I used a beige coloured marking pen. I then added the signage, the door frames, window sills, gutters, downpipes and the barge boards. All of these were cut out in 500-gram card. I hope you like the model. It's the first part of Railway Street and leading to a foundry, along with a church and another row of terraced houses.